Hi guys! Hi, this is Rupal here and welcome to my channel Roop's Book Love. Today I am going to do a book review, but before that, do like, share and subscribe to my videos and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. Also, those of you who want to read about these videos, then you can log on to my blog and see what I have posted about this video. Today I'm going to do a book review on Mrs. Funnybones by Twinkle Khanna. Twinkle Khanna is not only a daughter and wife to well-renowned actors, but she has also tried to create her own identity. She is an interior designer as well as she writes her own column in the Times of India, which is not very easy to get there, and also she has her own magazine. She was trolled about this book on many social media pages and many people have said that she has written something extra in this book. So let's find out what is it. I picked up this book because I am mesmerized with Twinkle Khanna. Well, I like to see videos about some celebrities and she is one of them whose interviews and videos I follow. And in one of the interviews, she talked about how practical she is. She is practical because she has said that before marrying her husband, she did a background check on his family to know that what are the diseases that are there in his DNA. She said that she had to do this because she wanted to make sure that her kids would not suffer from these things. Well, yes, that did hit me right here, and I thought that she is a very good person. She is very practical about some things. She thinks emotionally, of course that must have been there, but then she has a practical edge also. So there, that's why I picked this book up, because this was her first book and the trolls that were there, I wanted to know that whether she is the person whom I think she is, or she is bluffing on these things. This book is about a set of problems that happens in the life of every lady when she gets married, she has a family and she is a working woman. Then all this set of problems takes place in her life. Now Twinkle Khanna has tried to relate all those incidents in her life which has happened because she is a woman, she has a family and everything, and also she has tried to create a hilarious environment to show these things to the people. She has also tried to make it as funny as possible by being herself, that is sarcastic and witty at the same time. There are many positive features in this book. Being a celebrity book, I hadn't expected that there would be so many positive points. Well, let me start with one thing. Being a celebrity, she has about a dozen maids, but then also she is very humble and she knows that there are some things in life that she has to do on her own, because she has mentioned some incidents over here. Like for example, she has a kid, her son was a younger one, like about 10-year-old, and he remembered at night at 8 p.m. that he has to collect some material for his project the other day. So of course all the kids in the world usually remember at 8 p.m. that they have work to do for tomorrow. Been there, done that, everybody has faced that thing. So this happened with Twinkle Khanna also, having a driver, having people to go to store for her. She had to do this herself. She went to the people, she went to the stores, she helped the kid because she wanted to get involved in the project that her kid was going to do. Also at the same time, she talks about many incidents like the practice that she needs with raising the kids, the problems that she has faced while raising the kids, the changing the diaper thing, not being comfortable while traveling, have to handle everything, her job, her columns, her kids, her household, when her husband was not available because he was busy working. So with maids and with a huge house, she has to struggle a lot, which she has shown over here, and she has done everything like a regular and very humble person. The other interesting thing was, many females are not really ready to accept these things, but she accepted that she hates cooking. She does not like to cook, she does not want to cook, and she has specified this thing in the book very well. And she says that she is good at many other things, and it does not mean that to prove herself she will have to make sure that she knows cooking. So yes, she can take care of her family, she can do many things at a time, and if there is one thing that she cannot do and doesn't want to do is cooking, but also she wants to take care of her family. Lastly, she tried to show some positivity in the book. There are many problems in her life where she had to struggle a lot to come out of it. For example, that one police case that happened when her husband was walking on a fashion show and she got to him and everything. So all those things were tough for her. But what happens is she takes everything cheerfully. She tries to turn everything into a positive opportunity, and she tries to laugh through these things. And that is the exact same thing that she has mentioned in the book. She has seen every incident. She has anecdoted funny incidents. Those incidents are not funny, but she had mentioned it in a way that it looked funny to us. But they are mixed up with the problems that every regular human being faces. Negative feature? No, there were not many negative features, not compared to the trolls that I have read. So I don't know why people have trolled it so much, but okay, there are one or two negative points, like everyone knows that Twinkle Khanna is sarcastic and witty, and she likes to speak at the moment, and she likes to speak whatever is going on in her head. But she has done the same thing in her book. But what happens is at some point it looks insulting to the person for whom which she is saying. It is like a diary. She has written everything and she is thinking and she has written her thoughts. So maybe she is thinking something about her family member and it looks insulting to the reader that she is thinking something like this. But okay, that is her style of writing. And also I felt that the language was very simple, being the content writer that she is, she could have upgraded it a bit, but maybe she wanted all the housewives to read this book, so that's why she must have kept it simple. But a little upgradation would have given more credit for the book. There is nothing like a storyline or a plot. It is just, as I said, it is written in the form of a diary. Like she is speaking and she is saying that what all the things are there. She has even given the time that 8 p.m. this happened, or 10 o'clock this happened, or 3 o'clock this happened. So she has mentioned everything in the form of a diary. So there is not a particular storyline or a plot over there. The chapters are not interrelated. You can pick up any chapter and read. Or if you like any chapter, then you can mark it over there and then you can read further. So it is a very simple book with simple language, and all the problems are there. You might have faced them yourself. So when you are reading the book, you can relate to those things. That yes, this happened to some friend, this happened to some person, or this happened to me. So you can relate all these things. And so the book is very simple and very good. There are two reasons for which you should read this book. First reason would be to get a positive attitude. Now what happens is, people like to do is, they do not, when there's some situation or some problem arises, what they prefer to do is they just sit around and say negative things like, oh, this happened, how am I going to do this? This happened, what am I going to do now? So what I suggest is, when you read this book, you will understand that how to create a positive attitude for the problem that you are facing, so that you can get enough courage to think for a solution so that you can come out of that problem. And the second thing is, you will stop crying. Yes, crying not in the sense of emotions, but crying in the sense of, blabbering about your problems. That I am having this, I am having that, I have to do this, I don't have time and everything. So all these things are there which, pulls you back. If you are trying to do something, then they will pull you back. So if you will read this book, then you will understand that you are not the only one who is suffering from these problems. There are many people out there, even the celebrities are suffering from this. So, it will help you in understanding it, creating a positive attitude, as well as stopping yourself from doing something negative and, coming out of the situation without injuring or hurting yourself. So that is it for today. This was a short review on an Indian author, that is Twinkle Khanna, and the book Mrs. Funny Bones. I really love this book. This was her first book and I am looking forward to reading other books. I do have other books of her, so I'll get around it and I'll surely share the reviews if I like those books. So that was it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Also tell me in the comments below, what do you think, what was the reason that Twinkle Khanna was trolled for this book, for a long time? What do you think is the reason? Tell me in the comments below, and meet you with another nice book review in the next video. Thank you.